Today I'm going to show you some really sweet last-minute Valentine's Day gift ideas. Perfect if you've run out of time to buy something, or if you just prefer to make something yourself. This one's really simple. Just take a mug, a white one probably works best. Then we're going to use a Sharpie to draw on a personalised design. I'm using this red Sharpie to draw on a series of hearts all the way around the mug. Don't draw on the inside or where the lips contact the mug though. Then I'm using this black Sharpie to write on my message. And I'm adding a few more hearts. And that's our first gift done. Pretty cute, huh? It looks great, it's really simple, and you can do whatever design you like. For the next one, I'm taking a piece of card, folding it in half, then using a pair of scissors to cut out a shape like this, which will open out into a nice symmetrical heart. I'm placing this onto a red piece of card and drawing around it with a pencil twice to give two identical heart shapes, like this. Then use a pair of scissors to cut them out, leaving a border all the way around, not quite a centimetre wide. Next we need to use our scissors again to make snip marks up to the line all the way around the heart, like this. Then fold these tabs over. Once you've done both, they should look like this. Next I'm using a guillotine to slice off a strip of card about 1 inch wide. Then I'm taking some super glue, applying it to the tabs around 1/2 of the heart, and fixing the strip of card to it. I'm wrapping it around the curve of the heart, like this. Make sure it's all dry, then bend the card to make the valley at the top of the heart. Cut it off short. Apply some glue around the rest of the tabs. And fix on another strip of card all the way around the other half to complete our heart-shaped box. And we can use the other one of these that we made as a lid. Then fill it with whatever your loved one likes. I'm putting in these chocolates. For the final one, I'm going to use a sheet of red and a sheet of green tissue paper to make a rose. You could use any paper though. I cut off a strip of red paper at an angle like this, so it's about 1 inch wide at one side and 3 inches wide at the other. Then I used my scissors to cut a series of arches all the way down the strip, like this. Next, starting from the small side, I'm rolling and folding the paper all the way up the strip. As we keep curling it around, we start to form this really pretty rose flower. Twist the bottom to hold it all together, and open out the petals. Next, I'm cutting out 2 leaves and stem shapes from the green tissue paper. I'm rolling the stems together and folding out the leaves. I cut down the rose head a little and I'm going to stick this onto the leaves with a dab of super glue. And there's our finished DIY paper rose. And we can place it on top of the gift box. So we have flowers and chocolates. Make your loved one their favourite drink. And it's a nice, thoughtful, romantic gesture. A perfect Valentine's Day gift. The mug should last quite a while if you look after it. But if you rub away at it hard, you probably will remove the design. So go steady if you want it to last. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.